Hello everyone, my name is Arjun and welcome back to another interesting recipe. Today we'll be making Choco-Chip banana cake with whole wheat flour. This recipe is everyone's favorite, big and little ones alike. So let's get into it. I'll start by preparing our tin. I'm using an 8-inch tin. Now onto this I'll place a parchment paper. Our tin is ready. Now I'll take a blender jar. Now into this I'll add in bananas. Now into this I'll add in darmara sugar and the spices: cinnamon powder, dry ginger powder, nutmeg powder and some salt. Next goes in vanilla and into this I'll add in oil and emulsify them together. This smells divine! Now in a large bowl, I'll sift in our dry ingredients: flour, baking powder and baking soda. Now into this I'll throw in loads of choco chips. If you want to make this healthier, you can replace this with any dry fruit of your choice: raisins and almonds or cashews. Now into this I'll add in the banana mixture. Now into this I'll add in milk. Now I'll transfer the batter to the tin I prepared earlier. And I'll sprinkle it with some more choco chips on top. I'll pop it in the oven at 180 degrees for 40 minutes. The cake had been baking halfway through. Now I'll cover it with a tray. This will prevent the crust of the cake from burning. Generally, people cover it with an aluminium foil, but I find this way better because I don't have to take the cake out of the oven. Hear that? It is done! Ta-da! Doesn't it look absolutely amazing? I'll let it sit on the counter before I unmold it. It's been 10 minutes, so I'll flip our cake. Let's give it a try. This whole wheat choco-chip banana cake is awesome. Do give it a try. I promise you, once you make it, you'll make it every week. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you.